Good day, GIS lovers. Welcome to this online course of Freelancing with GIS Level 1 Earn from Home. Do you want to earn from home by using freelancing with your GIS skill? Then this course is for you because in this course we are going to learn how to start your freelancing business even when you are doing your full-time job also. We will learn online freelancing platforms suitable for GIS including freelancer.com, Fiverr and Upwork. We will learn also global payment method including PayPal, Payoneer and Skrill, how to create PayPal account, how to create Payoneer account and also how to create Skrill account. Not only that, we will learn also how to withdraw money from PayPal, from Payoneer and also from Skrill. After all of this, we will learn also how to withdraw our money to our local bank account, how to add all of this payment method in our freelancing site. Yes, but this is not the end. We will learn also GIS projects in freelancer sites. We will learn some magical tips and tricks how to get our first GIS projects easily. Yes, we will learn these tricks and tips also. And the final attraction of this course is we will learn in detail about Fiverr.com. We will learn how to create Fiverr account, how to create attractive freelancer profile in Fiverr.com, how to get level-wise badge as a freelancer in Fiverr.com, how to create attractive gig in Fiverr.com, how to attract our client to get our first GIS order in Fiverr.com. We will learn all types of magical tips and tricks to get our GIS projects or order in Fiverr website very easily. So, if you want to learn all of this to earn from your home by using your GIS skill, then enroll in this course. Enjoy earning by learning GIS.